Where we at? Oh shit. Running them through the fucking. Oh shit. Oh shit, she got one too. I need to tighten that drag down a little bit.
Yeah, tighten your drag.
Not too much. Oh, not too much. Yeah.
Shit.
Oh.
Shit, I think so.
Oh, he got off.
Dog, that was a fucking whatever she had was screaming that
Hey,
thing.
this bitch is monstrous.
Fuck. That's some bullshit.
I need to throw right here. Look, you hold. Oh fuck, hold this light. Hold this light. What you mean, bro? We just keep getting on. This is number 9.
This is some bullshit.
They on a feeding frenzy tonight.